Make a great choice today with the 2017
Yukon XL.
This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, one-touch windows, or if you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.